Oh my god, it is way too cold to be doing this today. Better be afraid. Man, I almost blew it. Fucking other battery died. That's how cold it is today. God damn it. Yeah, man, take it up. Right over Hibernia Street. Dig it. If you can't dig it. Oh wow, 2 Vias in a row. Oh, dig it. Where's the freights? I just filmed a Via. Same going the same direction. Like a minute ago. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at that. Oh, isn't that something? Holy shit. Fucking DPU on a freight. Maybe this thing's out of service. I don't know. Maybe it's because of this friggin' cold snap. Whoa, that's a lot of cars. Okay, I'm not sure I've ever seen that before. Whoa, that's crazy. I'll have to watch that again to see how many cars were on this train. That's something else, man. Ooh-ah. And the sun is just barely showing. Take it. I'd like to give out at this point a shout out and props to Via Rail for not giving a shit about us rail fans taking pictures or filming trains, whether they be their trains or CN trains at their stations. Whereas the AMT, that's a big no-no. So that's a big screw you to the AMT in comparison. Thank you once again, Via Rail. Merci beaucoup.